In this video, we're going to take a look at the LG XBOOM GO. What's up, people? Welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be a review on the LG XBOOM GO. This is the PK7W with Meridian. Now, I've had this Bluetooth speaker for a while now, and I figured it's time to do a little review on it. Now, the version I got is the white version, as you guys can see in the picture. This is the box that it came in. They also have a black version, and I actually think the black version on Amazon right now is a little bit cheaper than the white version. Not exactly sure why, but they do have it listed a little bit cheaper. And I'll put a link, and actually be an affiliate link to this product in the description box below. If you guys are interested in this Bluetooth speaker at the end of the video, go ahead and use that link to purchase it. It really helps out the channel, and I appreciate it a lot. Go ahead and take a quick look at the box here. There's not a whole lot of information on specs and stuff. This is a portable Bluetooth speaker though. It's a little bit bigger than some of the ones I reviewed in the past. On the side here, it says that it's powered by the Meridian, which is a 4 EQ modes. It's got an extreme battery life of up to 22 hours of playback. And this is weather and splash proof with an IPX5. It's got dual tweeters and a passive radiators for enhanced sound and high fidelity streaming. That's pretty much all it has on the box here. So what we'll do is we'll get inside the box and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so I got everything out of the box here. You guys can see here's the Bluetooth speaker. You get your power cord slash charger, because this does have a built-in battery, so you don't always have to have it plugged in. And then there's a manual that comes in it. Left that in the box. Like I said, I've been using this for a while now. We'll go ahead and go over some of the features and specs of this portable Bluetooth radio. Alright, so let's take a look at this a little bit closer now. As you guys can see here, here's a speaker grill. It does have mid and highs. It's got 2 tweeters, 2 mids inside there. Up on the top here, you have your function buttons. You have your power, your Bluetooth, volume up, volume down, play, pause, speaker. And then you got your EQ with the clear vocal and then an enhanced bass. On the back here, you have a little door which reveals your power input for the charging. You have a 3.5 port in. If you want to run, instead of Bluetooth, you can run your phone or MP3 player to this through a 3.5. It's got a reset button there, and then it's got a pairing button, which I'll get into more later in the video. This does have a nice seal to it because, like I said, it is splash proof. So you can have this out in maybe a light rain or near a beach. You're not going to want to get this too wet, but it does resist splashing of water, which I have tested, and it does work. On the side here, it's got a subwoofer on each side. Which is nice. Bottom have rubber feet. All 4 corners there. Also has the LG logo here. And then with Meridian is on this side. The build quality of the speaker is actually really nice. It's got a little bit of weight to it, but it's not going to be too heavy. This would be great for picnics in your backyard. Maybe take it to the beach. The purpose for one of these is going to be to get a little bit more sound in a bigger area than you would out of a smaller mobile speaker. Give you an example of the size here. Here's my Anchor sound core. Now this is kind of like my backpack portable Bluetooth speaker here. As you guys can see, it's real small compared to the LG, but this LG is Not going to serve the same purpose as this, just like this isn't going to serve the same purpose as this would. This is going to give you a lot more sound, and this is going to be a lot more portable. Here's another example of a Bluetooth speaker. I've had this for a while. This is the original Beats by Dre. As you guys can see there, this is actually a little bit bigger than the LG. Both of these are portable, but they are a little bit bigger. But you're going to get more sound out of speakers like this. So these are going to be great for parties. Here's a look at all three of them, just to give you a size comparison. Alright, we'll get back to the LG now. What we'll do is we'll go over some of the features here. Alright, so like I said, you guys can find this on Amazon. Currently, right now, it has 4.5 out of 5 stars with 752 reviews. So it's gotten a lot of good feedback from other people that has purchased this speaker. It does come in black and white. I'll also demonstrate there's going to be a little lighting feature in the speaker, and it actually has an app that you can connect to do some fine tuning of this Bluetooth speaker. It does have dual tweeters so that you can get more of that high frequency sound out of it. Now with the pairing button in the back of this that I showed you earlier, you can pair two of these together as a dual play mode, so you can enjoy the stereo sound. If you wanted to buy another one of these, you can put one in one area of your room, one in another area, and you can get stereo. You could really fill up the room with some music. It is weather resistant, so if there is a slight rain or some splashing, it'll be able to take that. Has up to 22 hours of battery life, so this is going to last a long time, and since I've had this, I've barely had to charge it. It does last a really long time. On the sides, it has the dual, they call it the dual action bass, to amplify the lows, which is really nice to get that good sound quality. It's got the Meridian technology, which is their advanced EQ, which you can access on the top here or through the app, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. So overall, just a really nice portable Bluetooth speaker here with a lot of neat features. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and turn this on here, and I'll show you the LED effect behind the speakers. Go ahead and hold the power button. It's going to make a sound there, and as you guys can see here, it's going to search for my phone, connect to it Bluetooth, which it's already has done. There's the Bluetooth light there if you guys can see, and then there's the power light. Enhanced bass light is on. Just turn that on and off. Real nice for parties, for a little light show there. It's pretty cool. Give you a look at the app here. This is the LG XBOOM app, which you can download from your Play Store. As you guys can see here, it shows that this is connected, Bluetooth. Up at the corner here, I don't know if you guys can see that, it shows what the battery is at. Right now it's at 30%. You can go ahead and change the color, the speed from slow, moderate to fast. The lights blink to the beat of the song. You can turn that on and off if you want. Got different themes. Got a forest theme. As you guys can see, it turned green there. Go ahead and do the water theme. Now it turned blue. It's a party theme. You also can choose your own color up there if you choose to. So the app itself is pretty simple, not too complicated. It'll show the song that you're currently playing. I'm going to go ahead and play something off of YouTube for no copyright, so I don't get YouTube hitting me with any copyright infringements on my video here. But this would show you the song that you selected from your library. So go ahead and play a little bit of music here so you guys can see how it sounds. Just hit the pause button on top of the Bluetooth radio just to show you guys that it does work. Right now I'm on YouTube, just doing some no copyright music here. Gonna hit play button again to unpause it. There's volume down, volume back up. Alright guys, so hopefully you could tell a little bit of difference in the sound quality between the different modes with the clear voice and then the enhanced bass. I know it's kind of hard to pick all that up on a mic, but you definitely can notice it in person. Hopefully you guys noticed it on the mic. Overall, I definitely think this is a great speaker. Like I said, for if you're doing backyard parties or maybe going to the beach. Big plus that it's an IPX5, which is like splash proof, so you don't worry about it getting a little wet. And overall, I think it's got a really good sound. It's one of my first LG speakers that I've actually ever used, and pretty impressed with it. Like it a lot. If you guys like it, you're interested in it, go ahead, look in the description box. I'll put an affiliate link there. You guys click on that link to go ahead and purchase this off Amazon. If you guys like this review, smash that thumbs up. And if you guys like what I'm doing on my channel here, hit that subscription button and that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later.
Bye.